Hi guys, it's Kate and today we will cook with you chocoberry pie. Let's go! In the next ingredients there are cottage cheese 200 grams, sugar or honey 100 grams, 2 eggs, chocoberry 200 grams, baking powder 2 teaspoons, flour 100 grams, malt 18-20 centimeters in diameter, and butter for grease the mold. Let's start. At first we mix our eggs. With honey or sugar. Then we add cottage cheese and mix it all. After that we add flour and our teaspoon of baking powder. After that we carefully add our chocoberry and all of this carefully mix it. Now we grease the mold with butter, and now we put our mixture into the mold. Okay, now we put our mold into the oven on 30-40 minutes on the temperature 180-200 degrees. So our pie is ready. And now we will open our mold. And now we will taste our chocoberry pie. This pie very delicious and with honey and with sugar. You can try 2 variants. Thank you for watching. Put likes, subscribe, and bye.